Hey everyone! Today, we're going to create a fully interactive map visualization in Power BI. This is a crucial skill for instant geographic analysis, allowing you to quickly spot performance patterns and total profit across different regions, countries, or cities. 1. Open the visualization panel. 1. Locate the visualization panel on the right side of the report canvas. If the panel is hidden, click the small arrow to expand it. 2. Choose the map visual. Choosing the correct map type is essential for accurately displaying your data. Filled map shows areas colored by value, example density. Field map shows standard 2D data points and is typically used for demos. Globe map provides a 3D representation of the world. Click the appropriate map icon, such as the field map icon, to insert the visual onto the canvas. 3. Place the map and assign data. 1. Drag the map visual to the desired location and resize it. 2. In the Fields pane, assign your geographic and value data. Location, drag a field like region or country here. Value, drag a measure like profit here, it automatically aggregates as sum of profit. 4. Adjust hierarchy and format. 1. To view data at a different level, such as the country level, drag the country field into the location bucket and remove the existing region field to ensure clean, unique data points. 2. Interacting. Hover over a geographic area to view the tooltip with profit data, or click an area to filter other visuals. 3. Formatting. Open Map Settings in the Formatting pane to adjust style options like fill colors, legend, labels, and tooltips. These customizations ensure the map aligns with your overall report design and improves readability. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.